Hi there, welcome to my video on overview of the Thinkific App Store. If you're watching this video, you might have already received some emails about the new Thinkific App Store and you're wondering how it all works. Well, the Thinkific App Store is really different from what we think of when we think of App Store. Oftentimes when we hear App Store, we hear about the Apple or iOS App Store or the Android App Store so that we can download programs and applications that work directly on our mobile phone. Well, the Thinkific App Store is a little bit different in that these applications are not installed on your mobile phone. And these apps are specifically related to your Thinkific site. The idea is that traditionally, what Thinkific used to do was build these integrations in the back end with different email marketing software, analytics, sales like Shopify, and it was kind of confusing for many people to sort of navigate. So now the idea with the Thinkific App Store is that you really centralize and have one area where you see all the different integrations that you have installed with your Thinkific site. The other bonus about the App Store is that you have some additional options to purchase other apps developed by Thinkific experts and other technical Thinkific partners to really enhance your Thinkific business. So these, you have the option of existing integrations such as, ConvertKit, Aweber, MailChimp for email marketing, and then you also have the integrations for sales such as Shopify, analytics, and then I'm going to show you a little bit about some new integrations that you may want to check out that you can choose to add on to your Thinkific plan that might really support the learning experience for your students. So let's get started. So I am going into my development partner site. And so if you see, yours will look a little bit similar to mine's, the way the menu bar is set up here on the left-hand side. I'm going to look for specifically apps. This is where all of my integrations are connected. So as you've seen before, I've done videos about connecting with Google Analytics, Segment, MailChimp, Mixpanel, and Zoom, for example. And so beforehand, you would have found these all under a Market and Sell tab, but now these are all held and stored under the Apps section. So the cool thing is these are where all the installed integrations are held and that you can track. And anytime you decide you're not interested in them anymore, you can just click on this trash can and those will be removed. And if you have any questions, you can always read some of this documentation to learn more. And then settings is really to sort of show you which account is connected to your Thinkific site from MailChimp. So this is just an overview of the apps that have previously been installed and integrated with my Thinkific site. Now what I want to do is go to the App Store to sort of check out how I would add additional integrations. So if I were trying to install and connect ActiveCampaign for email automation, I would just click on ActiveCampaign. But if I had a specific app that let's just say I want to look for ConvertKit and it's not showing up here on my screen yet, I can just type ConvertKit and it will show up here as well. But the other way you can find it is through these different categories. So email automation, tracking would be all this like analytics such as Segment and Mixpanel, Google Analytics. Sale More would be all your sales add-ons and integrations such as Shopify, Salesforce, Typeform. And then the student experience is really what is setting this Thinkific App Store apart from these existing apps because these are built directly by Thinkific experts and partners. So some of the cool things about the student experience is the two newest apps, which I want to highlight and share with you, is Play Yeah and Hello Audio. These are both add-ons. So right now, whichever plan you have with Thinkific, if you choose to install like this one, which is a more personalized learning experience add-on, it is a $99 one-time payment. So that if you choose to click on install, it will take you to a checkout page where you will authorize a one-time payment of $99. Now, if you're interested in this idea of audio, turning your audio content into a course, the Hello Audio is an app that you can install, and it turns all your existing audio into more of a course that is really easy to build, and it's really quick as well. You can think of Hello Audio as an audio-only course, so you could turn your existing podcast into a series of lessons. And so this is based on a $12 a month subscription fee. So if you install this, you're authorizing a recurring payment, subscription, $12 a month, in addition to your monthly plan on Thinkific. So that's basically an overview of the Thinkific App Store. The idea is that it centralizes all the different integrations and programs that help run your Thinkific business all in one place. I hope this helps, and if you have any questions or comments about the Thinkific App Store or want to hear some more recommendations on which apps can really support your Thinkific course business, feel free to leave a message, comment, question. I'd love to hear from you. If this was helpful, give it a like, subscribe, and I'll talk to y'all soon. Thanks.